Hey guys, how you doing? Last time I made the dish in the microwave, it went quite well. So, why not do it again? Yeah, probably the question is, what are you gonna cook this time, bro? Good question. Other cosito? Anyway, I was searching for the ideal case while I was eating KFC. Wait, KFC equals 2 pieces and a soda? No, mac and cheese in the microwave, of course. You wanna know how I did it? I'm cosito. Let's go! Let's start off with the ingredients you need. You need 470 milliliters of milk, 470 milliliters of water. Water and milk have to be in the same measurement. Other than that, we're gonna use 340 grams of macaroni, long elbow ones I'm using. Also, we need 340 grams of cheddar cheese. Cheddar cheese and macaroni have to be in the same measurement. Also, we need 30 grams of butter. And lastly, salt and pepper. And just for the foodies out there, you can also use parsley, but parsley is optional, but highly recommended.
The flavor.
For the first step, mix water in the macaroni and cover all the macaroni completely in the water. Now, the second step is a process of putting the whole bowl in the microwave for 2 minutes. Pull it out, mix it to untangle the macaronis that are sticking together. Then put it in for another 2 minutes, pull it out, mix again, and then lastly put it in for 1 minute. After that whole process, it'll look like this. Now, time to drain it. Now, at this point, we can start mixing in the butter. We follow immediately with adding the milk to the bowl. A good thing to mention at this point is if you want your end product to be more dense, more stickier, then only add 3/4 of the milk. Okay, there we go again with the process. Put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, then mix, then another 1 minute, then pull it out, mix again, and lastly for 1 minute. Finally, let's get to the fun part. Dump half of the cheddar in, then realize that I forgot to cut these into smaller pieces. Then continue mixing it thoroughly as if nothing happened. Now place the macaroni with half of the cheddar cheese into the microwave for 1 minute. And while that's cooking off, slice the cheddar cheese into smaller pieces. Okay, last but not least, mix the remaining cheddar cheese in. Be sure to do this while the mixture is hot, or else the cheddar cheese will not melt. And if it's not hot enough, just put it again in the microwave and do this process again. After all that, the end product should look just like this. Sprinkle a bit of parsley on there and also add salt and pepper. This looks awesome. Come on, let's taste. As you would expect, it's creamy, milky, and cheesy. And all by all, yum! That took more time than I was anticipating, but it probably is the best and easiest way to do it in the microwave. And also if you're crunched for time and have cravings. Either way, if you're not crunched for time, check out this recipe for patatas bravas, which is amazing. And hey, don't forget to subscribe. This has been Cosito's Kitchen and showing you the difference between a chef and a cook. Take care, guys. Peace.